Today, WANE 15 got an exclusive look at Parkview Health's command center created in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. WANE 15's Angelica Robinson takes us inside.
There's been talk about this command center since January. In March, it was up and running in a small conference room in the Parkview Mural Center. They've since had to move twice to accommodate the growing number of people on the team and still stay within the social distancing recommendations. What began as a small group congregating in this small meeting room has grown significantly. To keep up with the growth of the COVID-19 pandemic, this command center has had to relocate, not once, but twice. A team of 25 healthcare professionals are now operating out of the Grand Hall inside the Parkview Mural Center.
Logistics, our infection prevention team, our clinical leadership team, our medical staff.
Today, WANE 15 got an exclusive look at Parkview Health's command center. Leaders at Parkview began making plans for this in early January. That's before there were even 1,000 confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus reported worldwide. It officially opened on March 4th, just 2 days before the first case of COVID-19 was announced in Indiana.
Put together plans, procedures, and responses to what needs to happen with, as we see around the world and around the country with COVID-19 patients. What are those best practices and what are those lines of effort that all line up towards excellent care for every person every day?
This location allows them to work at least 6 feet apart.
Obviously, with the COVID-19 increasing and the importance of that, they've grown in their team. And so again, because of the social distancing, we want to make sure they had plenty of space to move around.
Rob Harmon, director of the Mural Conference and Event Center, says they were forced to cancel all scheduled events through at least March. So hosting the command center has allowed them to keep staff members employed who may have otherwise been without work. It's unclear how long the center will be necessary, but in the meantime, healthcare professionals will continue to meet daily, sometimes more, as they work to combat this pandemic.
We've had leaders from all over the system, and we're connecting not just daily, but almost hourly sometimes.
The command center does operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Reporting in Fort Wayne, Angelica Robinson, WANE 15 News.